the dust in your washing machine? This will also make stain in your clothes. TRC introducing Washing Machine Descaler. Very effective to clean your washing machine. Pour 200 grams of Descaler into the detergent dryer. Run the washing machine empty on hot cycle. Wipe down the drum, door and detergent dryer. Now your washing machine will be clean like a new one. TRC Washing Machine Descaler, manufactured and marketed by Chandrasekhar & Co. For business enquiries, contact 82480 90066.